Looking at this graph, you can tell that when you multiply by a negative, the inequality becomes false. Alright? When you divide by a negative, the inequality becomes false. So that leads us to our property for today. If you multiply or divide both sides by an inequality by the same negative number, you must reverse the inequality symbol for the statement to be true. You're like, what does that mean? So if we go back to our chart, if I was to reverse the inequality symbol, it will be -5 less than -2. Is this statement true?
Yes.
Yes, now it is true. Why? Once we rotate the inequality symbol, -5 is smaller than -2. If we rotate this symbol for the second one, 64 is less than 80. Is this new statement true?
Yes.
Yes. So that goes to our inequality. If we multiply or divide both sides by a negative number, you must reverse, as a key word, the inequality symbol in order for the statement to be true. We're going to do some examples today, and I want you guys to take notes. Number 1, Caitlin, can you stop? Thank you. Number 1, on your book, do I have a volunteer to read the first one? Example 1, letter A. Thank you for raising your hand, Pharaoh. Yes. 4x. Less than? Make sure you memorize your symbols, okay? Greater than? Okay, so we're going to solve this inequality. The first thing you want to do is inverse operation of multiplication. So divide both sides by -4. -4 divided by -4 will be a positive x. You're going to reverse the inequality symbol. And then 52 divided by -4?
13.
-13. Take notes. When you divide by a negative, you must reverse the sign. Got it? Okay. And then you guys know how to graph it. Okay. So whenever you graph it, I'm going to draw a circle at -13, open circle going to the left. Okay? That's how you will graph it. Okay? Can I move on to another example?
No.
For example, letter B. Okay? I'm going to do letter B, and then you do your turn. Okay. Next example is y over 3 less than -5. Okay? Here we have a division inequality. So inverse operation of division is to multiplication. Thank you. What number do we multiply both sides by? Thank you, Daisy.
3.
Yes, by 3. Now we want the variable to be positive, so we want to multiply by a negative 3. Negative 3 times negative 3. Here on the left side, we have negative 3 over y over 3. This is equal to negative 3 divided by negative 3 is 1 whole, 1 positive y. Bring down the inequality sign. When you divide by a negative, what happens to the inequality? You reverse it. Now, what's negative 5 times negative 3?
About 15.
Positive 15, right?
No. Yes.
So the answer is y is greater than 15. The solution to this inequality is any number greater than or equal to any number greater than 15. Okay? So take notes when you multiply by a negative, you must reverse the sign. Okay? And I'm going to show you with different colors. So it was less than. Now your answer should read the opposite or the reverse inequality. You must, oh, thank you. You must reverse. So let me see if I can erase that. You must reverse the sign. Okay? Let me pause.